If your job or craft requires you to wear safety glasses with infrared protection, you'll be happy to know that here at RX Safety, we now offer prescription IR 3.0 lenses on a wide selection of our products. Perfect for tasks such as torching, welding, glass blowing, and many other applications, the IR 3.0 lenses can be added to a variety of frames in our diverse safety glasses lineup with your prescription. Whether you need single vision, digital vision, or progressive bifocal lenses, all you have to do is simply select a frame, choose your lens type, select polycarbonate as your lens material, then just click green IR shade 3.0 in the lens color section. From here, you can add additional features like anti-fog and mirror coatings. IR3 lenses are perfect for those who are frequently exposed to high intensity light, like from welding or lamp working. If you want the most eye protection with the most visual clarity on any safety glasses frame, we've got you covered here at RX Safety. To shop the IR 3.0 prescription safety lenses, you can find them on our website at rx-safety.com.